Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked accounts on the application of Amazon Shopping. You will enter to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will enter to Amazon Shopping and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.